have, my dear.
Good. Where?
Well, we shall know all about that when we have a look at the scanner, shan't we? Now, you can both take a look.
Where are we, Doctor? Is it the planet you recognize?
Keep still, you nuisance. It's
Well, I want to say where we are.
Ah, both of you will look. Listen.
The water can't hear a thing.
Exactly. Exactly. There isn't a sound out there. Not a sound. Silence. Well, the atmospheric pressure's quite normal. Oxygen, temperature, radiation. It's all quite normal, I wonder. I wonder if it's possible to have a planet so obviously conducive to life, and yet without any.
Well, I finished chopping this fellow. Can we go out to see?
Yes, I don't see why not, my child. It appears absolutely deserted. As a matter of fact, I think we shall get some long-deserved, undeserved peace for once.